All right, guys, this your boy. I just bought a typhoonhelmets.com helmet. I got a black one, a matte black, but it's just plain black, and I didn't do it any justice. So I went ahead and just bought a red one. I mean, it's real nice. So just let me know if y'all like it or not. Um, so let's reveal it together. All right, all right, okay, all right. Typhoon helmets. Okay. Okay, it comes in a black bag. All right, so let's go ahead and get that out. All right, hold on. Need a little help. All right. Okay, comes a little black bag. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's real nice. Now that's what I'm talking about. It almost looked like a Power Ranger, like one of the dinosaur Power Rangers. Go go Power Rangers. Oh yeah, I like it a lot. Oh yeah, this is sweet. Oh, then it has typhoon.com dot. It's dot certified. It has a lot of vents. I like it a lot. So let me go ahead and try it out. See how I like it. See if it feels good. All right. Hold on. Just give me 1 second. All right. Hold on. And put this phone down for 1 second. All right, guys. What y'all think? I like it a lot. I'm looking like a Power Ranger. What y'all think? Oh yeah, it has a little lever on the side. It's very comfortable. It has like some this little lever that you can pull that I like a lot. It makes it a lot easier to loosen or go ahead and tie it up real quick. Yeah, I like it a lot. So, what y'all guys think? Yeah, I got a matte black one, but it was just black and plain, and it was kind of tight. I couldn't put my glasses on. With this, I could put my glasses on, and there's enough room. I bought a large, so and it has a lot of color to everything else that I have red that I bought for my bike. But yeah, I like it. So let me know what y'all think. All right, peace.